Okay, so the goal is to come in here and get exactly what I have on my list. Okay? That's the goal. It's been forever since I came in here. Matter of fact, it's been a few years. But it's time to explore. Alright guys, so I did get a few items, which is for my curtain. And she told me that the coffee table that I want is at $38.42. Here it is. I also was hoping to get the Hovet mirror, but it's not in stock. She did tell me that it's supposed to be back in stock on Monday. So for me to just order it, well, go online and put in a request for it, and then do in-store pickup, and then hopefully I can get it. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I get the mirror. OMG. I did not know that when you go to Ikea that you cannot take the shopping carts past the loading area. When I take it back, I feel it in my back. I made it. Everything is secure in the car. Now I'm ready to go in the house. Because now I got to carry up the stairs. Say it with me. Say tired, okay? So just to show you guys, it's water on me because it's now raining. I didn't see any rain in the forecast today, but here we are. So now it's time to go home. I'll go grocery shopping tomorrow. It's the only thing I can carry anything else up besides the stuff that's already in here and the stuff I have in my trunk. So I guess we continue this journey tomorrow or once we get in the house. We shall see. What's up, guys? I am back with another video. I am also going to be doing the letters for my kitchen wall. I'm going to be doing them over because they originally look like this. I did like a lemon theme, so everything was like yellow, greens, and whites. This time around, we'll do something a little different. So here is the before. Okay, here's my setup. This is what my letters look like before. Now I'm going to turn them over. I've already traced the sides. I'm going to paint the opposite side of them. You know, get my money's worth versus buying another set, and we can just flip them over. As you guys can see, I'm going to be doing some mixing. You guys can see that, but that is the color brown. So stay tuned. Checking back in. I don't know. I had a plan. It's not really looking like what I wanted it to look like. I mean, it's cute, you know what I'm saying? But this is what we got so far. I feel like the colors are blending. They look so much alike. So I think I may add some white here to break up the colors. And then do maybe some gold trimming. I don't know if I'm doing a lot. This is the fun part of art, you know, because I was trying to do it different than what I did on the back. I can show you guys what I'm going towards. This is the decor, so it's definitely the shade. Oh, but I think it needs a little bit more white just to balance everything out. I was going to use brown, but I think it's going to make it too dark, and I don't want it to be dark. Put white on it because I don't want it to look like a light orange. Or maybe I can. I'm gonna leave it alone. You can come back to it. Finished burning it, but y'all, this candle is $49. You have what you got, and you got what you have. Who literally in crazy faith moved to the north side of Tulsa as and connections and all they went to where they weren't invited. He got to get applause. Showing where God tells you to sow. Your family may not understand why you can't go on the time. Harvest, say it again. Seed. When you will not generationally selfish, God be broke and drunk. I'm going on with something. It was crazy thing from Bishop McIntyre to Pastor Debbie to take out a second mortgage on their house to help the church. I said, oh, what? I was just trying to maintain what they was doing. God said, I go from faith to faith. Nobody is scared. But God showed me something that's we have hit a place where I feel like this is how far we're going to has a poverty principality on it. You're gonna bring it by something. That doesn't make sense. He said, but it makes terrible sense. But everybody rejoices over the harvest. But they don't know the seed. Because I need to say, oh baby, on the other side of God, believing in faith. To become somebody. It's a serious stuff. God blesses me. Put out. Relationship goals. Then play them up. Oh, so my first book was not about what God did. It was to sow into somebody. How did crazy faith still gets 2 consecutive New York Times bestsellers? Nobody can convince me. I didn't write a better book. It's good. But it ain't because it's better.